Going to show you first a sponsor video. Now, I have worked with this company in the past, and it's TwoPages. I'm dropping all of the information down in the description. Make sure you always check out my description box. It is a lot of useful information for you down in that description. My package came like this, and now let me tell you something. This package whooped my butt. I was not prepared to get into this package. So I got my scissors, you guys, so we're going to get the package out. And I'm going to give you some information. Make sure you do check out TwoPages. And if you follow your girl, you know your girl love. I love white. And I always bring a heightened set of elegance in a space. So we actually picked up, and it's going to be 4 curtains, you guys. The reason I'm standing here, we're changing out my fall ball. So, what we're going with is, and I'm going to put the link for these curtains and all of that down in the description, but we do have, and they're white velvet, you guys. They're the Glamourous. They're your standard 52 by 96. We have that 1/3 inch grommet as well. And you guys, these curtains are not just heavy, but they're gorgeous. They're super soft. Now we'll tell you, TwoPages has some of the amazing curtains. Make sure you check them out. We're going to get them home. And as I stated before, I have worked with TwoPages in the past. TwoPages does use eco-friendly materials. They do custom windows and coverings. They do customization services, use premium fabrics. They have numerous of collections, and they have flawless craftsmanship. They also have a speedy delivery. Now you guys, make sure you check out TwoPages right now for their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. I'm going to put all of the information for my discount code and link down in the description box, so you can snag you some very, very good curtains. They also give you a measurement finder to get your measurements. They do bamboo shades, patty shades, Chloe shades. I actually went with the BIRKIN white velvet curtain, you guys. Once again, this is soft white velvet with that 1/3 inch grommet. I'm telling you guys, you cannot beat the quality of TwoPages. I will tell you though, you will be seeing more TwoPages going up here in my home. So, but make sure you do check them out. Also, make sure you do hit that discount code down in my description. Now, with these eco-friendly fabrics, you guys, they are OEKO-TEX Standard 100 certified, which means they don't contain any dangerous substances or anything in the product of these curtains. They do have 24/7 customer support. Make sure you go check out that link, and also check them out on Instagram as well. Hit that hashtag TwoPages home, and I do have the link for these curtains down in the description box also. And once again, with these BIRKIN insulated velvet curtains, they do create warmth, calm, and a neutrality, softness, and elegance to any space. And I'm telling you guys, these things are truly, in my eyes, they're gorgeous. They are made of 100% polyester velvet. They're 300 GSM. They have more texture and drape than your normal curtains. The unique porosity properties of the velvet gives the curtain a better insulation and sound insulation. And you guys, I did misquote the grommet inches. The grommets are 1.6 inches in diameter. They also have this BIRKIN insulated velvet curtain in 37 different colors. Make sure you go over and check out TwoPages. click that description box down below. Click on that link. Also click on the link if you're interested in these velvet style curtains. You will not be disappointed. I promise you. You will thank me later. But click on that information. Go over and check out TwoPages. TwoPages, thank you once again for reaching out to your girl to sponsor some more amazing curtains. And you guys will be seeing you in the next upcoming video. Don't forget, subscribe to GlamQueenofDIY. Her home is her tablescapes. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day.